How does a small island like Taiwan shape the future of global technology? The answer lies in one word: TSMC. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is the world's leading chipmaker, and its impact reaches far and wide. Let's talk numbers. TSMC's Q4 2024 results blew past expectations. Revenue surged by 38.8% to NT $868, 46 billion or $26.4 billion in US dollars. Net income? It shot up by a staggering 57% to NT $374, 68 billion. Their earnings per share hit NT $14.45, leaving analysts in awe. What's driving this growth? The demand for advanced chips, especially in artificial intelligence. TSMC's chips are the backbone of tech giants like Apple and Nvidia. And guess what? Their 2025 forecast is even more optimistic. They're planning to spend 19% more than what analysts predicted. The news left TSMC trading 3.76% up and helping drag other chipmakers along for the ride. Nvidia is one of the major beneficiaries, trading up around 3.3%. This means TSMC is betting big on the future of AI. TSMC's plan to invest heavily, projecting capital expenditures between $28 billion and $32 billion, primarily in advanced process technologies, will intensify competition. Rivals like Samsung and Intel may feel pressured to boost their own R&D budgets and production capabilities to keep pace, potentially leading to a scramble for resources and talent within the industry, with TSMC focusing on cutting-edge technologies, including the development of 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers chips. Competitors will need to accelerate their innovation cycles. Companies that lag in adopting new technologies risk losing market share as TSMC continues to dominate high-demand sectors such as AI and high-performance computing, HPC. This could lead to a wider gap between TSMC and its competitors, particularly if they cannot match TSMC's technological advancements. TSMC's investments, particularly in the US, are expected to reshape global supply chains. As TSMC builds new fabs in Arizona, it not only enhances its production capacity, but also reduces reliance on Asian manufacturing hubs. This shift could force competitors to reconsider their supply chain strategies and possibly invest in local manufacturing capabilities to mitigate geopolitical risks, as TSMC expands its capabilities and production output. It may exert downward pressure on prices in the semiconductor market. Competitors might be compelled to lower their prices or offer more attractive terms to retain customers, which could erode profit margins across the industry. TSMC's dominance is projected to solidify its position as the leading supplier of advanced semiconductors, potentially leading to a redistribution of market shares. As TSMC captures more of the high-growth segments like AI and automotive applications, other players may struggle to maintain their foothold, particularly if they cannot match TSMC's scale or technological prowess. Now, why is Taiwan so strategically important? TSMC's dominance in semiconductor manufacturing solidifies Taiwan's position as a crucial player in the global tech landscape. Their success emphasizes Sun Tzu's strategy. Supreme excellence consists in breaking the enemy's resistance without fighting. TSMC doesn't just compete, it excels through superior execution. The broader market implications are huge. With TSMC's positive forecasts, investor confidence is soaring. Nasdaq 100 futures rose by 0.5%, and S&P 500 futures went up by 0.3%. Positive earnings reports, such as TSMC's recent profit surge of 54%, tend to boost investor confidence and lead to increased buying activity. This bullish sentiment often results in a rise in stock prices, as seen when TSMC's shares surged following its impressive financial performance. Conversely, negative news or disappointing earnings can trigger sell-offs, reflecting a more pessimistic outlook among investors. The options market serves as a barometer for investor sentiment. Recent data indicated mixed sentiment towards TSMC, with significant activity in both bullish and bearish options. A high volume of call options suggests optimism about future price increases, while a substantial number of put options may indicate fears of declines. This dynamic can influence stock prices as traders react to these signals. TSMC's performance is often viewed as a bellwether for the broader technology sector. When TSMC posts strong results, it can rejuvenate investor interest in tech stocks overall, leading to increased valuations across the sector. In contrast, if TSMC faces challenges or negative sentiment, it can dampen enthusiasm for other tech companies, impacting their stock prices negatively. Investor sentiment can also be swayed by external factors such as geopolitical events or changes in trade policies that affect the semiconductor industry. For instance, discussions around export restrictions on advanced chips can create uncertainty, leading to cautious investor behavior that may depress stock prices. TSMC's strategic investments in R&D and capacity expansion signal to investors that the company is focused on long-term growth. Positive investor sentiment regarding future demand for semiconductors, especially in AI and automotive sectors, can lead to higher stock valuations as investors price in expected growth. This aligns with hexagram 42 from the I Ching, symbolizing growth and advancement. What's the takeaway? Taiwan, through TSMC, is not just influencing the market, but shaping the future of technology itself. In summary, TSMC's market dominance shapes not just its own trajectory, but also that of the entire semiconductor industry, influencing innovation, competitive dynamics, and global supply chain structures. Investor sentiment profoundly influences TSMC's stock prices through reactions to earnings reports, options, market dynamics, broader tech sector trends, global economic factors, and long-term growth expectations. This interplay ultimately shapes how investors perceive TSMC's value and potential in the fast-evolving semiconductor landscape. Don't miss out. Transform your understanding and be part of this journey for just $3.99 a month. Why you should act now. The wisdom of I Ching reminds us the only constant in the world is change. Those who adapt faster gain the edge, and those who foresee trends gain dominance. Join us today, and let's blend ancient wisdom with cutting-edge tech to empower your future. Every minute you delay is an opportunity lost. For just $3.99 per month, you could transform your understanding of the world and your position within it. Join us today and be part of a journey that blends ancient wisdom with cutting-edge technology to empower your future. Submit an Excel file, up to 80 MB, with 1-2 target values and 930 influencing variables to receive a comprehensive analysis performed with at least 10 iterations using our advanced AI algorithms. Get a customized 2-3-page A4 report offering in-depth solutions that reflect academic rigor and precision. As the I Ching teaches, Yin Xie Dao, guide according to the circumstances. Let us guide you towards success. Hurry. This is your chance to secure your future with the ultimate analytical experience. Membership slots are limited, and only the most committed individuals will reap the rewards of this unparalleled opportunity. Act now to ensure you're among them. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.